Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we'll show you how to access the TCL TV Service Menu. Make sure your TCL TV is plugged in and turned off before we start. Grab your TCL TV remote and check that the batteries are fully charged. On your TCL TV, locate the power button on the side or back panel. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to ensure the TV is off. Now press the Home button on your TCL TV remote. Navigate to the settings icon on the TCL TV menu. Scroll down to the About section on your TCL TV. Note your TCL TV software version. This may be useful in the service menu. Exit back to the main screen on your TCL TV. On the remote, press the following key sequence carefully. Mute 182 power. Wait a few seconds while your TCL TV processes the code. You should see the TCL TV screen go black briefly, then the service menu will appear. Use the arrow buttons on your TCL TV remote to navigate through the menu. Highlight Factory Settings on the TCL TV Service Menu. Do not change any options yet, just observe your TCL TV Service Menu layout. Next, select Panel Settings in the TCL TV menu to adjust display calibration. Use the arrow keys to check backlight and brightness values on your TCL TV. Navigate to Color Settings to see TCL TV color calibration options. Adjust values only if necessary for your TCL TV display. Highlight Audio Settings in the TCL TV Service Menu. Check your TCL TV speaker output levels and balance. Exit back to the main TCL TV Service Menu screen. Navigate to Software Info in the TCL TV Service Menu. Verify firmware version and hardware details for your TCL TV. Scroll to Reset in the TCL TV menu. Select Reset to Default. If you want to restore original TCL TV settings, confirm the reset and wait for your TCL TV to restart. Once restarted, your TCL TV will return to the home screen. Test your TCL TV by navigating channels and adjusting volume. Ensure TCL TV picture settings are correctly applied after reset. If issues persist, unplug your TCL TV for 60 seconds. Plug the TCL TV back in and power it on. Enter the service menu again using the previous remote sequence. Highlight Diagnostics on your TCL TV menu. Run the TCL TV internal tests for speakers and display. Observe any error codes shown on your TCL TV screen. Take note of these codes for troubleshooting specific TCL TV issues. Navigate to Input Settings in the TCL TV Service Menu. Test HDMI ports by connecting devices to your TCL TV. Make sure each port registers a signal on your TCL TV. Return to the main TCL TV Service Menu. Check network settings for TCL TV Wi-Fi connectivity. Reboot your TCL TV once more to save all service menu changes. Confirm all TCL TV settings are applied correctly. Test TCL TV remote functions to ensure proper response. Check TCL TV picture and sound quality after all adjustments. Exit the service menu and return to the home screen on your TCL TV. Remember, TCL TV service menu adjustments should be done carefully. That's it! You've successfully accessed and navigated the TCL TV service menu on Tech Vibes.